Hey, hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody had a great 4th of July holiday. My name's TJ Forsythe. I'm from Ironsides Technology. I decided to put together some video content specifically around how important it is to have a piece level tracking solution inside of your print and mail operation. Over the years, mail packages and distributions have become much more member-centric. They've become much more complex. In the transactional space, you know that there's government bodies, regulatory bodies, a lot of contractual stipulations, all that go into ensuring that you have the processes in place to make sure you can adhere to the stipulations of your contract. Well, a lot of folks do it a lot of different ways, right? So we're in a lot of different shops, and what we see is a lot of commonalities, which is there's a lot of different vendors, a lot of different pieces of equipment used to get your distributions out the door. There's a lot of different workflows and processes used to get out the door. And at the same time, we still see a ton of manual processes that are used not only to try to manage quality, whether that's sequence-based checking, count-based checking, taking meter reads off the back end of an inserter, cracking every 50 packages, whatever you may be doing to put yourself in what you think is the best position for quality. When in reality, you're really just introducing human element and risk to your processes. So as you introduce humans and manual processes, your quality management system goes down. And when you do have these quality issues, I've been a part of it, whether you get a phone call for a potential double stuff or missing pieces or a job didn't go out on time, and you now have to come up with the proof of what you actually did. And it's very difficult to do this because you have all these different systems and each piece of equipment has a different reporting package, and you have to try to mish and mash all this information together to try to tell your customer what actually happened. And then at the same time, if there was a quality issue, now you're dealing with loss of customer, you're dealing with fines, you're dealing with root cause analysis meetings, you're dealing with being put on notice by your customers, redistributing the mail, which is extremely costly. So there's a lot of costs that go into bad quality. And Ironsides has helped a lot of folks in the industry with this. Why? Because we're device agnostic, and we essentially can throw an umbrella over your entire manufacturing process to make sure you have a true end-to-end solution. So whether that be Ironsides installing cameras on non-intelligent devices, whether it be leveraging your existing cameras or hand scanners and hand fulfillment, we have the availability to take all that information into one command and control center with the focus of providing you one portal and one reporting suite of the audit trail of your documents, which is going to help save you money, which is going to help protect your customers, and which is going to provide you one database for both internal and external sharing if you want to provide transparency to your customers. So if you want to learn a little bit more about what we do and how we do it, I'd love the opportunity to speak with you. Give me a comment, give me a thumbs up if you think this is hitting home with you, and thanks for listening.